Hello बच्चों, now continue from the next line on the same page number, say page number 85. So here I was telling you that the author is just being nostalgic. Nostalgic, I told you, thinking about the past. Reminiscing means what is left. Left memories. Here the author is reminding the memory is all about the baker, and baker is remembered by the author. See, maybe the eaters have forgotten vanished also. Eaters means Portuguese are gone now, and we are here. And when we see the mixtures, the molders, those who bake the loaves, especially when we see the equipments, when we see the tools, suppose molders are used, okay, mixers are used to make the bread. When we see all these things, we remember just to baker. Our memories simply go to bakers. So what the condition of bakers in that time at Goa? See, those age-old time-tested furnaces, meaning of furnaces means bhatti, on which the bread is being baked, okay, still exists. The fire in the furnaces has not yet been extinguished. Extinguished means go off. Extinguished means go off. Extinguished. Go off. And furnace you can say bhatti. In Hindi you can say bhatti. On which bread is to be baked. Is to be baked. Okay. So here the fire, now the fire, although that the fire is go off, although the fire is not you can see, but the furnaces, the bhatti is still available. I told you na ki actually when they see the mixtures, when they see the molders, when they see the furnaces, they remember, especially to whom? Everyone tell me, to whom? They remember to bakers. Turn the page everyone. The thud and jingle of the traditional baker's bamboo. Thud and jingle means the sound of thud. Actually, they have a bamboo, and on that bamboo they simply mix the bread like this. So it creates the sound of jingle. Sometimes it becomes the jingling sound, and sometimes it becomes the thud sound. Thud ki awaaz you can say. Heralding means announcing. Heralding means announcing. Announcing means it tells us, and sound of the bamboo tells that they are coming. Okay, the arrival in the morning can still be heard in some places. Maybe the father is not alive, but the son still carries on the family procession and profession. These bakers are even today known as padder in Goa. The important point is that now Goa, padder and baker, both are saying the same word at Goa. So Goa के place पे at Goa we simply say padder. Okay, padder is the word we say for baker at Goa. Okay. So here you can see that jingling of the sound, thud of the sound creates the announcement, and it tells that bakers are coming, peddlers are coming there. Where? At Goa. Okay. Heralding his arrival in the morning can still. Now during our childhood in Goa, the baker used, you can actually I am talking about here only. I just went to Goa, so that's why I went to Goa in the story only. So that's why I am just keeping here and. Otherwise, you can keep here in also. Okay, so in Goa, at Goa. Okay, according to the sentence, according to the meaning, you can use here. So if you want to put in here also, so you can put. No problem with that. Okay. So here, during our childhood in Goa, the baker used to be our friend, companion and guide. He used to come at least twice a day, once when we set out